So, hi, how are you doing?
Good.
Are you good with Rubik's Cubes?
No.
No problem. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to try, okay? It's something I'm going to try. It's not something which is a guaranteed stuff. But I have two standard Rubik's Cubes. Yeah, here, this one. Here.
Yeah.
Take one in your hand, okay? All you have to do is, do you know how to at least shuffle the Rubik's Cube? And you will be able to like mix it up? Okay, so I'm giving you a big Rubik's Cube and I'm going to take a small Rubik's Cube, and what I want you to do is I want you to mix it up. Okay, yeah. Wow, you're a pro. Wow, you are a pro. You are really a pro. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm not going to mix it too much for you. I'm just going to keep it simple. You're not supposed to mix so much. Do you know how to solve, little? So, ladies and gentlemen, we've got this two Rubik's Cubes. I really didn't want him to mix so much because he's really mixed it too much for me. But you know what I'm going to do is there's always a way out for everything. You have to think smart. So what I'm going to ask you to do is, you are going to come back right here, okay? And look, come here and see. Okay, see what I'm doing? Okay? So you are going to do this behind. Okay? So that's how you're going to move the cube. And keep doing it till I ask you. Okay? And keep it behind. Don't show it to anybody. Is that right? Okay. Before that, what I'm going to do is, this is a well-mixed Rubik's Cube, right? I'm going to actually try to solve it. But I will do that blindfold. Okay? Let's see if I'm able to solve it or I'm not really able to solve it. Okay, and I want you to close your eyes. Perfect. Hold, keep your hands behind. Hold the Rubik's Cube in your hand and keep moving it. Right? Yes, perfect. You're doing a great job. You can open your eyes, you may fall otherwise. But yeah, keep doing that. You can close your eyes in the middle.
Did you know that solving a Rubik's Cube involves mastering a 43 quintillion combinations? But what if we take it up a notch? Can mentalist Dr. Kruti Parekh solve it blindfolded and also control an audience member's actions? Let's see what happens.
I just need a help. Can anybody tell me what are the squares this side? I'm just pointing it out, so just somebody say it.
Orange, blue, green, yellow.
All right, okay. And green. And this piece? White. Okay, perfect. I'm going to try and do that. Can we just have some music so we can focus on this now? It's quite difficult for me. I think I should have been able to solve it. Is it solved? Whew. I have solve the Rubik's Cube, but as I mentioned, it's not about just me solving something, but it's about connecting and giving the power to somebody else. And you were solving this. Can you just bring it out and show everyone? Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Give a big round of applause.